Alright, today I didn't shave for starters. I'm gonna deep fry me some blue catfish and channels. So now I've already cleaned them, soaked them overnight. I soaked them for 1 day each fish. The blues, you could tell, is really white once you soak it, and I soak it with sticky rice water. When I say sticky rice water, for those who doesn't understand, sticky rice is Laotian or Asian type of rice, and it's high in gluten. I guess it's really high in gluten. I'm trying to think, should I cook it in like new oil or dark oil? I'm probably gonna cook it in new oil. Before we go any further, we need some music. Okay, so I'm gonna find out for sure is there any wrong with eating channel cats. I hadn't been eating channel catfish in a while. I kind of had a bad experience a while back. Damn, look at my iPad, yo. It's all fucked up, man. Like, fucked up. My daughter is so bad. Like, every time she touches something, she breaks everything. God damn it. They gotta, No, I don't wanna buy anything. I wanna use my, Jesus Christ. YouTube? You guys gotta fucking, alright, okay, I have it in the fridge. We'll get it. I got my feet up. Let me show y'all. I'm hungry. Alright, yep. This is so to make it fair, I soaked that a whole day, 24 hours. And this has been 24 hours. Look, this is sticky rice. Okay, this is sticky rice water. It was in there already. So see how it's kind of red? It's yellow. Like that's channel. I don't think that part's good to eat. I think that's where the game is. So see right there? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna find out. So I'm sure if I fry it, I'm gonna separate it like right there. I think that's where the game is. I'm not sure, but I know this blue is the bomb right here. So I'm gonna experiment like right there. So I soaked it. It's 24 hours in it, and I'm gonna deep fry it now. All right. I'm gonna do the channel first. I want to know for myself. I want to know for myself, my personal. I don't want to stop eating channel cats completely because of my little mental thing. And I'm gonna find out is it really which one's really better. I have a hunch on what's gonna turn out. I think it's going to taste the same, or channel might even be better. I think it's the mentality, my mental aspect, my mental. Because the last time I had a bad experience with the channel carrot that I ate, I didn't do these steps with it. I didn't prepare it the way I'm doing it now. I didn't do it as good. So I'm just gonna put vegetable oil. Now I might, I think it's better to use peanut oil or what's that other oil? That's pig oil. corn oil. What's the other one? So I'm trying it with clean oil. For now. I could be wrong. That could be a reason why I don't eat candles. So I'm gonna let y'all know which one's better, in my opinion. So it's good to know. Like I know a lot of y'all eat cattle cat, and I used to love cattle cat. I used to cook it in curries and stuff, like really gang or you know, all sorts of dishes like pork one, like the small one is really good. But you're in there, oh, it's hot up in here. I don't know, that's what my sister always says. And my brother-in-law. Okay, so I'm a finicky eater. I'm really I have a batter that I use. I'm gonna enhance it. How getting like ท่านเขาเจ้าบ่ลืบมันดีแล้วมันบ่เป็นกลิ่นได้ Where's my wife with my batter, yo? When I create my batter, I use the pancake waffle batter. Look at that. The pancake batter. That's what I use. It's the same shit. It's the same as flour. I use that. We don't have any more pancakes now. And then I use half and half. It's the same thing of the all-purpose flour. Okay. I think my wife put it right here. Here it is. But I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna show y'all this batter that I use. So I use both, half and half. It's the same. Okay. I'm gonna shake it in a bag after I'm done. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I'll put 2 tablespoons of salt. That's about a cup each. I'll put 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of salt. I will put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I don't have any sugar. I'll put half a tablespoon of MSG. I like my, this is not new. I don't usually put MSG on mine, but I will put, this is really a vital ingredient. I don't have any black pepper. God damn it, it's not. Dash. Oh, it says salt free. I didn't even know that. This is dash, salt free. This is the one. I'll put about 4 tablespoons of that. 3 or 4. It's got black pepper and everything. Like 3 to 4 tablespoons of that. And white pepper, a tablespoon, and black pepper, a tablespoon. But I can't find any black pepper. And I put garlic powder and onion powder. A tablespoon each. Probably 2 tablespoons, okay, each of those. And, I put 1 tablespoon of chicken stock. I don't have any. I did last time. Garlic powder. So this is kind of like a base, a foundation where you guys can kind of get an idea of what I put. It's really good. And 1 tablespoon of paprika. It's really good. This is that good juice. It's really good. And I'm ugly today. Wait here, no onion. Okay. 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Why would my wife use the onion powder all gone and put it back? I will put it in a Walmart bag and take it. If you know what I mean, I'm coming up hard like a Shaolin temple. extra spice, you could add like a half a tablespoon or like with the Lowry. Not a whole lot. I mean, this is just enough. I sometimes even use this, and it's really good too. You gotta be Latino. What am I looking for? It's also very important that you use your ingredients consistently. If you season one thing really good, and that you fry the channel with it, that you season the other thing differently, it ain't gonna work. But you gotta have the same batter, same season. I'll put it in there, and then shake it. Chef, that ain't gonna count. Shake it, I should have mixed it first. Cứ tỉ mía đi, tỉ đạn nữa, tỉ đạn. Okay, I'm gonna try these two. I'm gonna put my onions in there. Good onion there. I gotta know for sure what's better. I know flat hats are really good eating. The meat is really white. And it's snow bunny, you know? Can't you feel it? Can't you feel it from your heart? Don't take me, don't take me, gonna dream. Can't wait to taste it. It's gonna be bomb. Microlina Ford. I really want to know how it's going to taste. Now I'm going to do the blue. See that, good job. See that, there's a blue now. If it ain't good, the dog's gonna eat good. I don't know where you are. Girl. Salt gonna kill me. I'm addicted to salt. Like crack cocaine, y'all. Fried onion, sprinkle salt, pepper. Make you dance. I'm gonna fry this more. Salt. So good for my blood pressure. Choว่าเจ้าฮักควายลายเจ้าว่าเจ้าเลี้ยของควายเพราะบ่เคยเห็นปากเจ้าจะเกลือเจ้ามีใจนอนน้ำเขาเจ้าไล่ซับดักเขาให้เขาซับดักเจ้าเลยไม่เมื่อสักทีบอกม่วงAll right. Now this is channel. I'm scared. I'm gonna go get my. I'm sure it's the same. Take it one time. Alright, let's taste it. I'm gonna taste the channel. I got my leftover tabahoon from a few days ago. Damn it, honey.
Channel Catfish looks really good. It looks really, really good. Now, how will it taste? You guys need to learn this. What this way is not the healthiest. It's not healthy, but it's good. It's one way. How I eat it. My daughter loves it. I'm gonna hit Bacau for tonight. All right, taste test. Taste test, taste test. Taste test. I got mustard too. Now, the channel. I just sneezed on my food. The blue. All right, let's see. I'll show y'all. All right. Now, on the right corner is our challenger, 6-pound channel cat. On our left, 9 pounds, blue, the current reigning champion, fish of all fish, blue catfish. Y'all watching this? Something happened, cause I'm on the phone trying to post. All right, taste test. Try the channel. Well, I'm gonna do the champion first. Champion gonna go first. All right. Oh my God, champ, I love you. I love you, champ. Adrian, I love you, Adrian. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't want to eat anything else. Yeah. Now, before I have to, and that's the batter I use. Okay, that's the blue. That's my channel. My taste. Oh, it's got. Let me taste it. Got mustard in it. Mmm. 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 I'll get my live bear. I don't know. Okay. I can taste the difference, but it's not distinctive. You know, like I don't know how to explain the taste. Okay, blue has a brim, crappy panfish taste to it, right? Right? The channel I honestly think the channel could be better to some people. It's hard to tell. It's so hard to tell. It's so hard. But they're both really good. They're both really good. Really, really good. I'm gonna keep hitting this channel because I want to know. I want to know. Man, if I didn't know, because I already have a mental block when it comes to channel captain. Why? I don't know. The one year that I caught a lot of fish, I cooked 100 pounds of catfish. No, I cleaned and I cooked some, and I was sloppy, and I really didn't do a good job. But oh my God, so good. No, my issue is this. This is my issue. I have a mental block with the channel. I wish I didn't do this and didn't know which was which. Like, see, when I eat this, I'm already like, yeah, about the channel, because I'm not a fan of it. But really, the meat is just as good or better. All I know is I have a look. That meat is really good. The channel, it's not the same though. It's definitely not the same. Now, the blue, oh my God, so good. See, when I eat the channel, it's all mental. I already have a mental negative to it, and I haven't even tasted it. When I taste it, it's so good. It's so good. I should use a fork. There's nothing wrong with it. It's so good to eat. Now, I don't know how to declare the champion, but I know I didn't eat enough. Being a perfectionist that I am, I will say the blue is the winner. It has a really greasy. The blue has a really greasy. It has some fish taste, but it has a. I can't explain it. I don't know how to explain it. And I'm a chef. I'm really finicky about my taste buds. When I eat something, I'm really finicky. But the bad part is like 59%, 51 to 49. It's actually identical. It's not an identical flavor and fish or taste. It's identical because they're both really good. There's nothing wrong with eating both fish. But to me, psychologically, I'm negative towards channel. I don't know why. I wish I could get over that negative.